If you have a portable spectrophotometer, you will have to load the next two CDs. These are Palm and Datacolor portables. If you have a benchtop model, you can now skip to the installation of Data CDs. With the Palm CD, at the menu, click Next. Accept terms and click Next. Uncheck the box here to upgrade from the Internet and click Next. Press Next here to accept the default install path. Click Finish. On this screen, click Next. Enter the username of your device and click Next. At this point, the system will want to sync the computer with the portable. It is important here to press the Skip option. Press Yes to confirm. For this demo, we will also skip the option to register the software. Also, you may skip installing the additional software.